Hi, Craft Angels. Nessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here today with day 21 of the No New November Junk Journal Challenge. And today we're doing scrap pages into tabs. So I have some scraps here so we can get started. And what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to take this page here and this page here and make some tabs, maybe a few more. Okay, we can use those and one of these. Okay, so we're gonna get that this put away. Yeah, if I can get it loose. So we're gonna do that and get that done. So we're gonna use these pages and we'll cut them into tabs for our pages. Okay. And God knows, I don't know how many tabs we'll need. So I'm just going to cut them about, I'm going to go from this way, an inch wide. That's wide enough for me. So let me even it out. There's one strip. Let's see, we have 4 strips so far. Let's see how much you can make out of one sheet of paper. Maybe. Maybe we can make enough for the whole journal. I think one more cut and we're done with this piece of paper. Okay, this is not big enough, but we'll keep it anyway. Now, what I want to do is see if I can put all these together and cut them at 1 inch. Okay, so I'm going to turn them like this, put them in at the 1 inch mark. Nope, that's not going to be about 1.5 inches. And cut them. Well, apparently we can only do so many at a time. So that's alright. We'll get 2 sheets, 3 at a time. I seem to have lost my scissors. Okay, let's get these in here together. Go to the 1.5 inch mark right there. Cut them. Now, what we can do, there they are. Okay, let's get a few more to make this quicker. Put them all together. Take one of these with a clip. Okay, I'm going to show y'all a little tricky here. Take another one, like so. And we'll take this one, right there. Right there. See? Easy peasy. And we got our tabs cut. Just hold it like so. Put the scissors up to the edge of the tab, like that. Now this is too small. This one's gonna be too tiny. Those are gonna be okay. One. Two. Three. I'm not worried about the white here. Doesn't matter. 4. Okay. Nope, that one went quicker a little. Okie dokie. Now we're going to start trimming. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got our tabs. Okay. This is all the tabs that we have cut. May need more. Don't know. But these are the ones that are cut for now. So, I will say thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And hit that notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Also, be kind, be blessed, be crafty, be safe. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now. Oh, and I forgot, please make sure you check out Mrs. Gigi's channel and the links below. You're going to find it in my Linktree link that's linked in the description box below. Thanks, bye.